The truth is, not everyone's a fan of AI, so I'm going to show you how you can leverage AI and use it to your advantage. I'm excited about today's video. I absolutely love using AI. I want to show you how you can use AI to enhance what you're already doing so you can make your workflow faster, smarter, and creative. So first off, let's talk about how you can use AI as a creative partner. So I like to call ChatGPT my PA. Any question that I've got, I run it straight through ChatGPT. Always there to help, super quick, super helpful. If I'm struggling for ideas for captions or if I'm struggling for ideas for content, ChatGPT. There's others out there, Perplexity. There's also another one, I forget what it's called. I'll put it here so you can see. It just really helps to boost your creativity. I'll give you an example. I've been writing a producer's handbook for the last 4 years. Well, I started 4 years ago. And just the other day, I had the idea of running it through ChatGPT so it could just refine or proofread what I've already done. And it's helped me so much because now I know what I need to put in there to get it to the point of finished. So that's almost done. So that means I can finish that off, create the PDF and sell it or offer it as a free lead magnet. There's also Canva, which I just tapped into just the other day. They've got this creative AI tool now where it can create all sorts for you, blog posts, code, image, write, design, all sorts. So what I'd done just the other day, yesterday, matter of fact, is I created a few blogs. I took the video that I created, took the URL and dropped that into NoteGPT, which is another AI platform. NoteGPT then summarized my video. I took the summary and put it inside Canva AI and asked Canva AI to create a blog for me. And it did. All I had to do is go in there, tweak up a few things and add my brand colors. And then I was able to just embed that onto my website, which then I put the URL to my video for those who like to see things done visually, can watch the video. Then I used ChatGPT to help me with the meta description and tags. For one video, it took me probably something like 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes. Now, if I was to do that on my own, we're talking like 10 days or something silly like that, because I'm not a writer. I'm not the greatest writer. So a tool like this it's just sped up my workflow. I was able to do three different blogs in less than an hour, and that's mind-blowing for me. That's crazy. The other thing I like to use ChatGPT for is just to help me with my timeline, to help me with what I need to do when I need to do it. For example, I want to create some courses, I want to create a webinar, I want to create a mentorship program. Now, for me to do all that on my own, that's going to take a lot of time. So what I need to do is just ask ChatGPT to give me an outline of courses, of the courses that I want to create and the webinar that I want to create and an actual mentorship program. And then all I have to do after that is tweak it and make it my own and just freed up a whole heap of time. The other thing I like to use ChatGPT for as well is learning about plugins that I'm using. For example, I asked ChatGPT what is the functions on a particular plugin. I think it was the ATR 102 by UAD, and it told me all about the bias. It told me about the different tape heads and just all stuff that I could read it in a manual, but I ran it through ChatGPT. It just broke it down for me, and it just made more sense. Made a lot of sense to me. I'm not really one for reading manuals. I do occasionally read manuals, but ChatGPT helped me out, so I was grateful for that. The other thing that I used it for, the other thing I asked ChatGPT was, give me a vocal chain. Give me a vocal chain that's clean. Give me a mix bus chain that's clean and uses less plugins. And it spat it out. It gave me a nice chain that I could try. I asked it, what's the order that I should put it in? Gave me the answer. I tried it out, tested it, changed a few things around to my liking, to my taste. It's almost like having a mentor just sat here with you, telling you how things should be done. I could figure it out myself, but then I could also get some help. That's why we have mentors, just to speed up your process. The other thing that you can use AI for, and you must have seen it, you must have seen all the toy figures and action figures that people are posting online, and that's just to create images. You can use it to give you some ideas for posts. Oh, I didn't even post today. That reminds me, I haven't posted today. I should have. I was supposed to post our new single, but I forgot. I could do that later. It's only 10 to 2. But it will give you ideas of what to post. Like, one of my favorite things to do is ChatGPT. I need some ideas on what I should post for the next 30 days. So give me 30 days worth of content. The prompt's going to be a little bit different. Like, I'll put in ChatGPT knows me now. I've been using it for so long. It understands me. We've got a nice little rapport now. So I can ask it questions and it will churn it out. That suits me. So what you need to do is make sure that when you're using these AI platforms is to make it familiar with who you are, your voice, your tone, what you do. And then when it gives you your answers, it will be tailored to you. So going back to the pictures, the images, I created an image. I asked ChatGPT to create an image of me holding the CD cover of our new single, and it created something. Someone said it looked like Steve McQueen. I had to Google Steve McQueen to see who it was, but it does look like Steve McQueen. Nothing like me, but I put it up because I wanted to create a bit of humour with the release. I didn't want it to be all serious. Just showing the CD cover of the artwork and saying, everyone go and check out our new single. I wanted it to be a little bit different, create some engagement, and it did. It worked. So use AI to help you to think outside the box. I know some people will say, then you're not thinking for yourself. But I don't see it as that. It's not going to take over. It's not going to take over what you do. It's not going to replace you. It's there to enhance what you already do. It's there to help you with your workflow, help you with things you're struggling with. And like I say, just use it to your advantage. You're still the artist. You're still the producer. You're still the creator. You're still the engineer. You control the process. AI just makes it a little easier. So just use it for what it is. It's a tool. A really powerful tool that can help you in ways that you might not even have thought of. Generating ideas, organising your workflow, or just helping you learn faster. AI can make your process more efficient and freeing up time for you to do what you love. And that's creating. Drop a comment below if you've been using AI at all, how you're finding it, what you think about it, love it or hate it. I'd like to know. Share it with us. Appreciate you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.